Italy, a country known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and incredible culture. In this video, we will explore some amazing facts. Our journey begins in Rome, where you will find the Colosseum. This ancient building could hold up to 80,000 spectators. Italy is a food lover's paradise. It's the place of pizza, pasta, and gelato. Each region offers its own delectable specialties. Italy boasts an unparalleled cultural heritage. It's home to masterpieces like Mona Lisa, as well as countless architectural wonders. With 58 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Italy has more than any other country, from historical center of Florence and Venice. Italian, the official language of Italy, has a medalist charm, but did you know that it also influenced other languages? English words like cappuccino have Italian origin. Italy is a fashion powerhouse. Milan, known as the fashion capital of the world, hosts events like Milan Fashion Week, where top designers come. Italy is responsible for some groundbreaking inventions. The thermistor, eyeglasses, and the first mechanical clock were invented by Italians. Italy is one of the world's largest wine producers. It's known for its wine regions, where you can taste some of the finest wines in the world. No visit to Italy is complete without seeing the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This iconic bell tower leans due to unstable foundation soil. Italy, a land of history, culture. These amazing facts only scratch the surface of what this extraordinary country has to offer.